commission item for them, take into account that 15%. So if I ask for the invoice, if I check the person in, oh, he owes me $1,900, that'd be a worthwhile conversation. And then gets here, he'll always tell you if the guy owes you money. So I've got 225 times 4 nights. That goes to the guest. So the guest is going to pay me the money when they walk in. However, I also have an invoice item, commission item, sorry, for the difference, and that goes to booking.com. Because they're going to charge me at the end of the month, we don't create an invoice to booking.com. We create a commission note. This is recent behavior change. It changed about 6 months ago in MotelMate. I start to get invoices for 100 full minus commission equals net because they need to pay you money. Booking.com doesn't need to pay you money. They're going to charge you for their services at the end of the month.
So some sites don't pay you money either.
Great. Make them commission only in the agent section. Yes.
And then we keep track of the outstanding commissions that are owed.
Correct. We can't invoice the commissions because some get invoiced, some don't. But we always create a commission item, a billing item, but it goes to different parents. Sometimes it goes to an invoice, sometimes it goes to a commission note. But there's always an invoice line item called commission made.
So that doesn't happen automatically when a booking.com
No, it doesn't.
comes in.
Because, close the window, my code for booking.com is booking. Adam's got Beacon, because he's taken it from Seacom, he's copied the same code. Yeah. I can't know that, because you made the codes up along the way. So, tick the box yourself, look at this. I know, because it's Seacom, Beacon is their code for booking.com. I know what to put here, and off I go. We are working on a change to make that work automatically, but you have to go back and fill in into your agent's file. Here, web ID, you'd write Beacon there because you're a Seacom customer. If you're working with Star, they call it booking.com. If you're with Satminder, I think they call it booking. So everyone's got their own code for it. This is where you match up the code so it works together.
Well, I've got you in that area.
Yes.
One of the things we've been trying to do is track wholesalers' sales through our properties. And,
Yes.
I'm not sure that what the wholesalers have been selling is correlating with what our properties are getting. Is that about inputting and coding, if depending on bookings coming through from, Pan Pacific or Anscro or AOT or whomever?
If I put Anscro in here, Anscro New Zealand, there wouldn't be commission only, there'll be wholesale rate. Which means the commission rate is 0 because they are selling to Anscro are your customer. Who the guest brokers in is just currently incidental. It's a detail of the booking. But Anscro is charging you, is selling you at 120. The guy paid 150, but you didn't need to know that one. Anscro, you're charging Anscro 120, that's it. And you always do a statement for Anscro telling you at the end of the period how many Anscro invoices you've sent out.
So we need to do a statement.
Yes.
Can we do it on here?
Yeah. If you go to Anscro, go to Finance. My Anscro is pretty quiet. Right, so see statement, full history.
And then you can send it to them.
Yes.
So we need to actually send statements.
This one's too new here. Mustafa Berger actually was booking in only last week, same month. Where's that one? Just not right now. Doesn't delete it. Just I don't want to see you just now.
But my statement, when I go, I'll report this out to Matthew. On the aging side, my one doesn't say current 30 days, 60 days. My one said all the same. 0 days, 0 days, 0 days, 0 days. On the right hand side, that one should say current 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120. But my one say 0 in all columns.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's two choices for here. How you can set it up: 7/14/21 or 30/16/90. The way that's done is
Where did you get to statement? Did you have to go home and click statement?
in the guest screen, company screen, and the agent screen. They all have the same half dozen tabs along the top. They've got agent or person, history, booking history, and finance history. At the bottom of each finance history page, down here, there's C statement. I always bring it up. But to change it 7.14.21, if you go to Manager, Advanced Options, Settings, in your case, Finance, I want my age balance to be weekly or monthly. Check that set for one of those two settings.
Okay.
If it's blank, it'll probably be confused.
All right.
Now, one other thing, seeing as we're paying agents at the moment, and I need to quickly do some homework. Do a little bit of money. Someone must have the money. Oh, there's one. Okay, open grammar school. I don't know whether an agent, never mind. These guys owe me money. If I run the statement, unpaid, send it off, big check comes in from Open Grammar School. I can go click, pay, pay. I'm bored already, it's too hard.
Instead of going through all the invoices.
Yes.
Wow.
No, that's too hard.
That's for sure.
If I go, if this is an agent, you can have like 20 or 30 of these. Click mass pay outstanding invoices. Are you sure? Yes, I am. Always have to ask if he's sure.
Yeah.
It's money.
It needs a redo button for when you go, yeah, and then you think, oh shit, no, I wasn't.
Did you get a check for $2,100? Oh, no, I didn't. Why not? That one's not valid.
Right.
Did you get a check for 1822? Yes, I did. Paid.
Cool.
When did you get
Okay.
paid? Actually, this came in yesterday. I'm looking at the bank.
Brilliant.
Done.
Right. Now, how do I get rid of the 284 agents that are in my agent list that are really companies?
I'm glad you asked that. Usually it's the other way around. You've set it with companies like Anstra and companies like Booking.com aren't really companies at all.
Yeah, I've got that as well.
But the
So I
same
just thought I would
is in
do
two
one
different
question
places.
at a time.
If you go history, you say transfer to agent, transfer to companies,
So it's in history.
and in
on-
companies it says transfer to agents.
So I'm in the agent screen,
Yes.
and I go history and transfer.
So we have to go into each agent
Yeah.
and whatever and do this, so
Yes.
history, transfer.
What's your definition between the difference between a company and an agent?
Commission.
So a company is a
Companies who they work
flat net
for.
rate and a agent is a.
I work with
commission
Skagerrak
activity.
software.
Yeah.
I come and stay with you. I want Skagerrak to pick up the bill. So in the guest screen, we'll associate Patrick with the company ID Skagerrak software. When I check in, it says who's paying the bill, guest or company. When Patrick checks in, you get the invoice, it automatically assigns my company ID to the invoice. So the bill goes to Skagerrak every time Patrick stays.
When Patrick walked in, he said, look, I'm going to pick this one up for sale because I owe them one.
I
Change
knew
it to
that's
guest.
that.
Yeah.
Change it to guest.
Here we go.
I'm
Here we
like
go.
that.
He loves it there.
I know he does. It's not on it.
There's Des Pickable. He works for, not MotelMate Training, what the heck, no relation. This says, build company as a rule. No, build to agent, build to guest, sorry. That's the truth, but actually I forgot to put that in. No, room rate. Right, make a booking. It's fine. You were supposed to fill that in the first time. You forgot. There. This will change the booking, not Des, to build to guest. I forgot. Are you sure? Yes. Create the invoice. Yes. Oh, I printed. Now I remember.
You can change here again.
Build to ID. No. 189.
Yeah.
Des Pickable. There you go.
It's brilliant.
So you've got all the way through the process, and it can still change your mind.
It's brilliant.
I
It's
actually
not,
build.
it's just you click on it.
Yeah, it's brilliant that one, you forget.
Now, actually, Des Pickable doesn't live at Queen Street anymore.
Yeah.
That's wrong. Now, there's his other invoices all say number 2 Queen Street. So he now tells you he doesn't live there anymore. Go back to here.
Change it.
And if you've already checked them out, then you have to check them back in to do that, don't you?
No,
Okay.
not at all. Here there's 2 Queen Street, which is in actually Mosgiel. Midday. Mosgiel Park, and even I look at it.
It is,
It's scary, but I don't know what it is.
it is.
Okay.
But Mosgill's not a
Next to
suburb.
Argyle Street.
Excuse me, Mosgill's not a suburb
Suburb
of
of
Dunedin.
No,
I need to say that.
It is actually.
No, it's not.
Is it legally?
Yeah, it's part of Dunedin.
It says
not.
Mosgiel
Dunedin
would have been
City
outside.
starts away down south, just north of Milton,
That's
and goes right up to,
Still not a suburb.
past Palmerston in the north.
We do.
Anyway.
And goes away out to Middlemarch in the
Here we go.
west.
So back to my invoice now. Des actually does live now at Mosgiel, even though this says Queen Street. This is the refresh symbol. Now, all invoices to Des previous to this will keep the original address, Queen Street. The next one will say Mosgiel. This one I want to update. Click the refresh symbol, which tells you the yellow tooltip refresh, and it's now updated. Okay, now that's simple, making bookings, doing invoicing.
One thing there,
Yes.
You get a booking from FCM, you know, Flight Centre or someone like that, and they want meals included. But when you go into the company to charge it back, the meals won't come up on the invoice.
Right, okay. I'm going to change this, make it a commission booking. Oh, this is really important. You want to rebill it? Not just yet. Last time I used Motet. This time I'm using. And you do DHB stuff?
Orbit travel.
I do.
Orbit, I'm sure Orbit. And Orbit somewhere. There we go. Orbit travel open. Now, do you want to do the rebilling? Yes, I do. 2 lines of commission. Agent invoice. Commission. Accommodation.
So
And
we
billing
don't
item.
know, so they don't pay the commission.
What billing items do you want? Food.
Yeah.
Evil, there we go. 1 click, 2 click, 3 clicks, 1 click. And I've got 3 breakfasts and 1 quick breakfast, all on one night stay. Free.
If Orbit's
Is anybody else in the room? Oh.
Patrick,
Yes.
if Orbit, most of my Orbits are Rec Online.
Yep.
So if the Orbit, if the invoice went through with that -11 on it, they'll think, oh, good, I don't have to pay the commission. But they need to pay the commission because Rec Online's going to ask for it later.
No, I've always done mine like that, so